Hi, this video is about the Nova 32-inch folding reacher, and folding makes it compact. So it's so easy to pop it into a purse, a bag, or a backpack, and that way you can take your reacher anywhere. All right, so easy to open it. You just open it up, and then you're going to push this button, and that's going to lock it in the open position. All right, so this reacher is so versatile. It's very lightweight, and the hand grip is really easy to use. That hand grip you just squeeze, and that's going to control these rubber grippers on the bottom to pick things up. We also have the feature that you can lock those grippers. So say I'm going to pick up my lip balm here and squeeze the handle. Now I can push this button in, and now it's in a locked position. I can stick it into my bag, and then you're going to squeeze the handle, push out, and then that is going to release that item. All right, great for picking up trash. I love that. Those grippers work so well. And even heavier items like my jacket here. I can pick it up and then put it into my bag here. And then, of course, the best part, now I can push that button, fold it up, and then put it in my bag, and I'm ready to go. All right, that is the Nova folding reacher, and as with all of our products, it will come with our care, use, and contact information, so you can reach out to us anytime.